Welcome to Make, Hands-On Intro to Engineering Design. I'm Kyle Wenner, and this is a student video that will discuss the Arduino sketch that I will use for the Green Lantern Ring and charging station. And here's a 3D model of my project. You have the base, which will house the Arduino. You have the RFID module, which will talk to the RFID tag in the ring. You have the RFID tag inside the ring. You have two LEDs connected to the servo motor, and here you have the top switch. Inside the base will be the Arduino Uno, as we can see right there. And when the ring is connected to the RFID tag, it'll force the LEDs on the servo motor to spin back and forth, as you can see right here. And now I'd like to give a brief overview of the code that I've written for this project. With any code, I think it's important to have a wire-up guide at the beginning so the user can know how to install your program. I have it for the RFID module, how to install the servo, how to install the two 3x8 decoders, and finally how to set up the RGB LEDs. I saw the code with the header files, where the first two are for the RFID module, the next one is for the servo motor, and finally I've written my own header file so that I can control the 3x8 decoders. I have numerous calls to the header files, as you can see here, and an important bit here is the password, which is the password that we want to check in block 2 for when we have our RFID module check if the card is right. In the setup, basically we start communications with the PC with this right here for our baud rate of 9600. Then we have a pledge, which will send the computer the Green Lantern oath every time the lantern is plugged in. And then when we go to our loop, basically what we have is it checks for a new card, and then it checks if it can read serially. If these are not there, it'll just keep looping right there. Then we call the read block function, which checks to see the block 2 and read its contents. If the contents match our password, we can run the accepted loop. The accepted loop basically runs the first 3x8 decoder, moves the servo 130 degrees, reads the second 3x8 decoder and sends the LEDs through, and then finally rotates the servo back.